Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Hello to the new subscribers. I'm now going down, get my laundry, see how much it costs. 180 baht, really good. So yeah. Now let's order something to eat. So guys, I've been reading your messages about me and losing weight, and I need to be doing that. Tomorrow I want to go to a restaurant down John Tien Beach because they do roast dinners, and the last time I had a roast dinner was with my son before I sold a house in England, which is about a year ago. So I'll make a video on that. Do obviously a lot of Thai food. It's a good restaurant in there. And they even do pizzas. So yeah, I'm gonna change the way I'm eating. I remember one of you messaged me saying veg, eggs and meat. I think that's what I'm gonna probably do. And the thing is guys, it's so hot. I only have one meal a day. I'd have bought muesli with mixed dry fruit. Hi mate. Okay. Are you alright? Okay? No, it's okay. Can I order? Oh no, actually I'll have that. That's just fine. Yeah. And can I have a banana smoothie, please? So yeah, thinking maybe after tomorrow, because I want to have a roast dinner. And then I think once a week I'll probably treat myself, but and then that'll probably be it. Start concentrating on losing weight and start using the swimming pool every day for a couple of hours. Got to start somewhere. But yeah, I'll show you. The last 4 or 5 days, it's been cloudy but not really raining. It's a little bit hot, but it's just sweating a little bit. Look, like in Thailand they say nikanoi. Nikanoi means a little bit. yeah, I don't know. I thought at this sort of time maybe it'd be, you know, really, really busy, but it didn't seem to be. So I was just looking at the sea, just down there. $119 baht, and it's not a very big meal, but I know it's not healthy. So we ordered a banana smoothie, 69 baht. Right, so that meal was 188 baht and the smoothie. Less than £5. Just incredible. You know, you can eat out for less than a £5. So I just sort of come in here and sit down. I have to be careful with some of the videos because I keep forgetting about the music in the background and they copyright it every time. So yeah. But today I just feel a bit not much fatigue, you know, in energy. Yeah, I don't know. Well, I'm sweating a bit, but even though the sun's not out, it's still humid. So yeah, it's really hot. But like I said before, you know, I'll read your messages, try and message you back. Just keep doing it, guys. Your support's great, absolutely amazing, and I like the honesty because I'm the sort of guy who won't take offence to anything. So don't be offended by, you know, getting to the point, because like I said, I won't be offended. I look at it as positive messages, and all your guys trying to do is just being honest with me and telling me the truth and what I need to do, and sometimes we all need that. So yeah, I'm grateful. So I'm sitting on this, it swings. It's the first time I sat on it. So yeah, it's just hot, guys. The breathing is because of the heat, yeah, obviously the weight as well, but something else as well, guys. I don't really go to the bars that much. After a while, after being there for a few months, you know, it's nice to go out and have a drink, but not as much as some of these guys that are here. I mean, they're only here for that. I don't, it doesn't bother me that much. It never really bothered me anyway, but it doesn't bother me now. Going out in the bars, drinking, and yeah, you can have a good time, but I don't do it as much as a lot of guys that are out here. Sometimes once a week, sometimes once every 3 weeks. You know, obviously it ain't cheap. After a while you can spend some money, but yeah, I just at the moment I'm just chilling and relaxing. Some days I don't go out. Sometimes, you know, just stay in and chill. Yeah, it's just, I'm enjoying it, it's relaxing. And some days I don't even spend any money, guys. So, like a lot of people say, it depends on your lifestyle. But, yeah. It's good. It's all good, guys. I'm happy. I'm happy every day. And I probably don't seem like it when I do these videos. Too a little bit camera shy. But yeah. So anyway, you guys stay safe. Keep it real. And peace. I'll see you soon. And yeah, guys, you know, I've put my email on my main page, so you know, if you want to send me an email or something, you're more than welcome. The email's travel with J, capital T, travel with J, new life @hotmail.com. So yeah, take it easy, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Look at that, guys. Second road is completely flooded. He's just sitting there with the window open, and then all of a sudden it just came at 100 miles an hour in a second.